Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start in Settings so you can change screen color temperature quickly. Tap Display and Brightness now. This is where Night Shift and True Tone live. Once done, make sure your iPhone is unlocked and nearby because you'll toggle options that affect ambient coloring. You're doing this to reduce blue light and ease eye strain, especially before sleep. Hold steady, don't skip verifying iOS version, because menu names can differ slightly and you want the correct controls for the next steps. Now tap Night Shift to control temperature and timing. This shifts blue light toward warmer tones, which helps melatonin production and sleep. Choose Schedule, either sunset to sunrise, or set custom hours, because timing matters more than intensity for circadian benefit. Next, use the color temperature slider and drag toward more warm. A stronger warm setting reduces more blue light. Once set, make sure to test visually and tweak. Small adjustments can preserve color recognition while still lowering blue light exposure. For a stronger, persistent blue light filter, go to Accessibility Display and Text Size, then enable Color Filters. Choose Color Tint to apply a warm overlay. You do this because Night Shift expires with schedules. Color Tint stays on for everything. Adjust intensity and hue until the screen looks comfortably warm without ruining contrast. If colors look odd in photos, toggle the filter off quickly via Accessibility shortcut. Troubleshooting tip: if the tint disappears, confirm screen time or profiles aren't overriding display settings.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.